Okay guys, tonight we are doing something a little different. Last time I did like a accents video and like accents and impersonations or something. I don't know, it was weird, it wasn't even funny, it was stupid. Stupid, what is stupid? Anyways, today or tonight, well it's not done, as you can tell by the lighting. Well tonight, yeah, I'm gonna do 25 animals, and at the end I'm gonna do like a little surprise noise thing because I want to do it because it sounds funny. But anyways, yeah, let's get started. Oh, gross. Ugh. I cheated. Lion noises are too hard to make. I can kind of do it, it's hard. Close enough. Okay, well, that's all I have time for. Sorry I keep looking up. It's cause the monitor thing, the screen, the lens, I don't know. No, that's the lens. The monitor thing is... Oh, the LED, that's right. The display thing is like up there, so I keep looking up there instead of down there. Okay, I'll look down. That way we can look each other in the eyes. Well, I'm not really looking at your eyes. I'm looking at a lens. And it keeps turning every time I move or do something. I'm sorry. But yeah, anyways. Thanks for watching. I think my neighbors think I'm on something. I don't know. Either that or they think there's a zoo in here. Because I do pretty well. Sort of, not really. And yeah. Hope you enjoyed another dumb funny video? It was pretty funny, you got it, man. You did laugh a little. Did you wet yourself? That's what she said. No, I don't know. Sorry, I'm gonna stop using that joke. It's so cliche. Anyways, thanks for watching. Oh, one more thing. Shout out to all my Datu Gaming and Justin Smithel. Those guys are awesome. Well, Justin's a guy, so he's awesome. And then all I Datu is a girl, and she's awesome too. And she has like a zombie called Felix Mouse. Said that without laughing. So 5. You jelly. And yeah, that's pretty much all. Like and favorite this crap, and yeah, hope you enjoyed. Keep it fresh.